Hello guys. Walang voice kaya I put voice over. Bali nag-meet kami ng client ko today. So, very rush in 30 minutes. So, nag-present lang ako ng mga property na binibenta ko. Which yung prepared niya is house and lot. So, ayan. Sa kabilang mall ko siya i-meet sa launch ng Prestige. And then, nag-coffee lang kami. And then, yun na. Kinuha ko lang yung details niya for quotation. And that's for now. Thank you for watching, guys. I'm Jocelyn Mangilit. See you on my next vlog. Bye.